What is up my boys and boys without penises? My name is Sally and I'll be playing the age-old game of Temple Run. My older brother told me that the archaeologists first discovered this game in the ruins of ancient Mesopotamia, dating back at around 4,000 years old. How fascinating! So anyways, my goal in this video is to get precisely 30 coins. I think it's a possible mission for me. Send help, I need to get out of these wretched mines. Anyways, this game is so hilariously fun that I'm going to cry. Wah 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 wah. Ha 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 ha, you guys thought I was sad. I have to go now.